Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing? This is October 22nd, 2025. And today we're going to be dealing with solving equations using the method of substitution. Before we were dealing with the method of elimination, now we're going to be dealing with the method of substitution. In the method of substitution, a double substitution would have to be done. Let's go through this process. What's going to happen? I'm going to color code accordingly because in this case here, we have an equation 1 and an equation 2, right? And I'm using my pink marker because this is pink turbo or cancer awareness month, where persons are either being affected directly or indirectly from that dreaded disease. So we remember them, and we remember those families that are trying with those who are directly being affected, and we keep in our prayers. Okay, let's go. Go say in other words, what's going to happen where this y is, I'm going to be replacing it with the expression that is representing y increase, and now we're going to have x plus, it's no longer y, but it's what? X minus 3 equals to 5. So please note to the replacement. This is what goes on. We take the second equation and plug it into the first equation. And from there, we're going to go and simplify this. What is x plus x? That's 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. And from there, we're going to go and solve this equation because we've seen the equation like this before. So we're going to do undo plus 3. These two are going to go. So what 2x is equal to? 5 plus 3 is 8. And we're going to undo again. So we're going to undo multiplication with division. These two are going to go. So what x is equal to now? X is equal to 2 into 8 is 4. Please note. And from there, you're going to take this 4 and substitute it into the simplest equation. The simplest one that I'm seeing here thus far is the one that's saying y is equal to. So that's equation 2. So in other words, equation 2 is what? Y is equal to x minus 3. Well, what is x? X is 4, right? And from there, we're going to have that y is equal to 1. So you can conclude and say what? That x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. And this is how you solve a system like this here using the substituting method. Good, let's go and examine this one here now. In this case here, the coefficient of y was what? 1, right? In this case, now the coefficient of y is what? 2. So let's see what's going to happen there. I'm going to call this y here again. From there, we're going to take our second equation and plug it into our first equation. It could have been the other way around in terms of equations. As we go along, we're going to have the encounters. So from there, I'm going to write back my first equation, which is what? X plus 2 times something equals to 13. And from there, what is y? Y is 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. And from there, you're going to go and solve this. We have to do a distribution. So you're going to have what? We're going to do x, we're going to do 13, and we're going to have 2 times 2x is what? 4x, and 2 times negative 1 is what? Negative 2. We're going to solve this. We're going to continue solving. We have like terms, so x plus 4x is 5x minus 2 equals 13, and this line resembles this line, so all we would have done here, we're going to go do over here. We're going to go and undo that negative 2, which gives us a plus 2. We're going to add 2 to both sides, and of course, you have to make sure you properly align. These two are going to go, so what is 5x equal to? 5x is equal to 13 plus 2 is 15. We're going to go undo multiplication. This is division. These two are going to go, so what x is equal to? X is equal to 5. And from there, we're going to take this value and plug it into the simplest looking equation. And the simplest looking one here, again, is equation 2. You can use any equation anyway, right? So please note that. We're going to use 2 for now. So we're going to have that 2 is really what? y is equal to 2 times some minus 1, but what is the value of x? X is 5. So we're going to have this. Y is equal to 2 5 10 minus 1, and 10 minus 1 is what? 9. So we can say that x is 5 and y is 9. So please note what has happened there. Something looking kind of a little off here though. Let's go through it and see where. Oh, 5 into 15 is 3. My bad. Yep. 5 into 15 is 3. 5 into 15 is 3. 2, 3, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So y is 5 and x is 3. God, we should check it out now. That's what I was doing mentally. Just checking it mentally. We're gonna have, we put this 3 here. Put the 3 where the x is. Right? And the 5 where the y is. What are we gonna get? 2 5 is 10. 10 and 3 is 13. That's good. Right? Let me take this 3 and put it where the x is. Now we're gonna have 2 3 6 minus 1 is 5, and indeed y is 5. So you can check it like that. So there's nothing wrong when I'm going through the process, showing that an error would have occurred and corrected the error. I'm happy that it's happened like that, because students do make that those mistakes, and sometimes they become very unsettled and allow their confidence to be dimmed. Don't do that. You just go back to the process, see what's happening, and make your corrections. Is that okay? And of course, after time to practice, you'll be able to master your concept perfectly. So that's basically how you solve simultaneous equations of this sort using the substitution method. And of course, when we come again, we're going to see how we can further do a few more of these, and we're going to look at some other aspects of it as we go along. Thank you very much for watching my video. God bless you, and see you in my next video. Take care.